Bonjour. Aujourd'hui, on va étudier une nouvelle leçon. Leçon 5. Bon voyage. Donc, le nom de la leçon, c'est bon voyage. C'est une expression qu'on souvent utilise en anglais. It's an expression that we very often use in English. As when somebody is going on a trip, we wish them have a safe journey or enjoy your trip. Now let's look over here in this lesson what it is all about. From the picture, what you can make it out? Yes, the weather is pleasant out and a lady is packing her clothes or maybe her husband's clothes in a suitcase, right? Is it an official trip or a personal trip? There are too many questions when we see picture. Let's clear our doubts and start reading it. So I'm going to read the text first in French, slowly, and then we will together try to translate it. La famille Lavinia part pour Lyon. Monsieur Lavinia a déjà acheté les billets. Le train est à 19h45. Monsieur Lavinia a téléphoné à son beau-frère pour annoncer leur arrivée. Madame Lavinia a fait une petite valise avec ses vêtements et des vêtements de son mari. D'abord, elle a mis les jupes et les pantalons. Au-dessous, elle a placé ses chemises en soie et les t-shirts de son mari. Elles n'ont pas pris beaucoup de vêtements, car elles vont rester seulement une semaine. Manuel et sa sœur ont mis leurs affaires dans leur sac à dos. Aujourd'hui, Madame Lavinia a préparé le déjeuner à 13h. Ils ont mangé vite et Madame Lavinia a lavé les vaisselles. Ensuite, elle a rangé les chambres et Monsieur Lavinia a fermé toutes les portes. Ils ont quitté la maison tôt pour arriver à la gare en avance. Ils ont pris un taxi car Monsieur Lavinia n'a pas voulu conduire. Let's try and translate the text now. So, the family of Lavinia or Lavinia's a surname, So normally when we say it in English also, so we say Jindal's family or Goel's family. So we have over here Lavinia's family is leaving for Lyon. Mr. Lyon has already purchased the tickets. The train is at 7:45. Mr. Lavinia telephoned his brother-in-law. It's an expression for brother-in-law. For announcing his arrival, their arrival. Mrs. Lavinia has packed a small suitcase with her clothes and her husband's clothes. So, faire une valise as an expression is to pack. D'abord, firstly, she put skirts and jeans, as in trousers. Above, she placed her silk shirts. So whenever we are talking about the quality, as in the material of a thing that we buy or that we wear, right? Normally we use the expression en. So it is, for example, if in case it is made up of silk, we say en soie. If in case it is made up of cotton, en coton, and so on. Et les t-shirts de son mari. I started speaking in French all of a sudden. Above, she placed her silk shirts and her husband's t-shirts. They have not taken a lot of clothes because they are just going to stay. So rest is not to rest, it means to stay. They are only going to stay for a week. Manuel and his sister have put their belongings in their handbag. Sakado is an expression for handbag. Today, Mrs. Lavanya prepared the lunch at 1. They have eaten fast and Mrs. Lavanya washed the vessels. Then she arranged the bedroom and Mr. Lavanya closed all the doors. They left the house early so that or for arriving to the station in advance so that they can reach station early. They took a taxi because Mr. Lavanya didn't want to drive. Now I hope you're going to listen to the translation and the pronunciation of the lesson for the coming class and prepare yourself to read it in front of me. Bonne chance, merci.